Charlie, where's your mama? So we go out in the snow when other people stay in. So maybe we should live north of here, but I don't know. I don't know if you can get it, but she is, can you see her that rear mirror? Or the side mirror? She's out taking pictures of the snow. I sit all snug as a bug in the truck with the Charlie. Hi Charlie, say hi Charlie. Say no, I won't, I'm mommy.
Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
On this cold December day,
Get in, honey.
we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go.
Charlie, where's your hat? Why are you covered in snow? Maybe mommy should get that off you. It is 26 degrees with 45-mile-an-hour wind gusts and blizzard-like conditions outside. And I'm stupid enough to take her out and drive around in this crazy weather. I love snow.
On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of eyes, onwards ever go. Dasher and Prancer, moving through the snow.
Snow, 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 I wanna rub my hands and face in snow. Woo, it's cold. Let's go back inside and get some hot cocoa now, huh? Whew. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I do like driving on snow that's not been driven on. Whew. The wind just picked up. And wow, it's cold. It's like 25 degrees outside and blizzard-like conditions. And my idea is, hey, let's go outside and play in it. And Karen dropped me off at her house. And she went around the block now. Anyway, I'm cold. I want some hot cocoa. Let's go back inside. It's cold. Oh my gosh, I'm so cold.
Then you know it's Christmas when the snow starts to fall.
Cute, and you just dump this entire bag? Tiny little guys. You just put them in your hot cocoa. So cute. So then, you stir it up. Nothing like hot cocoa after going and playing outside in the snow. What'd I bring you?
Hot chocolate,
Do you like hot chocolate?
my favorite thing.
What mug do you have?
Kansas City Royals.
What do you think of them?
I like them too.
I'm gonna just warm up and drink my hot cocoa now. Tomorrow, Nancy and I will probably do something pretty cool, so I'll show you that footage like right now. So today I want to do this hot cocoa face mask. It's something that I did not do with the teens in the past, but absolutely something I would have done with the teens. So let's get to it. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's go. So it takes unsweetened cocoa, an entire tablespoon of that. So Nancy, here, I'm going to put it in your little bowl. Just, ooh, level that off. There you go. There, stick that in there. Put mine in. Oh, is there nothing better than chocolate?
Not
Oh
good.
man, doesn't it?
Chocolate milk.
Almost. And then it takes a tablespoon of honey. And yes, we're going to put this on our faces.
Oh my God. Hope it comes off.
It'll come off. This recipe is supposed to make your face all soft and shiny and glowy. We'll see. Woo! I went nuts on the honey!
You have to do it for me.
Alright, well, I'll do it for you. Will you push your bowl over for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Then, it just takes a pinch of cinnamon.
Who's this for?
There we go. Then, we're supposed to stir it all up. Let me show you.
Oh my land, look at that.
It's an ooey gooey mess.
I'll lick it.
But I just want to eat it. It smells so good. So here we go. Ha! I almost tried to take my glasses off. All right. Alright, so here's the verdict. My skin, does it feel soft? Actually, yeah, it's not bad. My skin feels pretty soft, and I can tell you, it definitely tasted like drinking a hot cocoa. Like I just poured a hot cocoa across my face, which was kind of fun. I got chocolate absolutely everywhere. Nancy had fun. She got a little messy, which kind of freaked her out, so she's in her room. So if you have a bunch of teen girls in your youth group, or even boys might enjoy this because it's tasty. It was pretty cool. So it is messy. Warning, messy. So that means the kids would probably love it. Yeah, that's it. So happy snow day. Yay! Hey, so one more thing. If you're like me, when I was working with the teens at the library, I would scour the internet looking for something that was fun, that the kids wouldn't think was like totally lame. I have done all the legwork. I've already found all the stuff that the teens kind of like, this is stupid. So I'm only going to show you all the things that worked for me. So I'll be uploading to my YouTube channel. I will be putting it on my website. I'll be posting blogs about all the different things I've done with the teenagers. And you can just go out there. It's yours. You can have it. Occasionally Nancy and I will do some fun things for you on camera and you can laugh at us. Haha. And anyway, if you like this video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Love ya. Bye.
Do you wanna come along with me?